Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Bhumit. Where's the report?
Actually, I put up the table. Above the table.
Bhumit, the file is on the table, not up the table or above the
It's
table.
the same thing, sir. Above is on is
Listen
on.
to me, I'm the boss. Above means floating.
But this
and
is
on
not
is
floating.
on the table. Huh?
This is up the table, no?
It's on the table, Bhumit.
બધું હરખું જ છે ભાઈ ઉપર એટલે એક જ કહેવાય.
First of all, you're in an office setting. Don't use your matrabhasha. Out. Let's go.
Sir, the client sent the document through email.
First of all, Bhumit, it's not through, it's through. And the client send the documents by email. Bhumit, by email.
Sir, but it's through server, through internet. So it's through email, no?
No, it's by email, Bhumit.
Sir, in our language, through, with, since, by, it's the same word, sir.
But in English, these are 5 separate words, which mean different.
But it's the same thing, sir.
No, it's not the same thing.
Sir, I was watching client files.
First of all, Bhumir, you don't watch a file. You either read a file, you review a file, or you look at a file. You don't watch a file, you watch movies.
Okay, I was reading files.
Listen to me, Bhumir. English is an international language. There are nuances to it.
સર જોવું એ જોવું કહેવાય ફાઇલ જોવું મૂવી જોવું તમને જોવું કેટલા જોવું પછી
English, Bhumir. English.
ઓકે આઈ વોઝ રીડિંગ ફાઇલ હવે ખુશ ટર્ન પેજ
Turn around. Listen, I know English is difficult,
बहुत डिफिकल्ट
but English has 3 words for a reason. And each word has a specific...
સર કેન આઈ સે સમથિંગ
Yeah, go ahead.
ઇન ઇંગ્લિશ ઇન ઇનટુ inside within 4 words in gujarati ma next example beside next to close to 4 words in gujarati paase only one word there is no difficulty only straightforward
You know what? Listen. It's the same thing.
the
Go
same
ahead.
thing no? increment
Increment. Tomorrow increment.
thank you
Tomorrow.